So finding cheap contacts can be really difficult without sacrificing quality or putting your eyes at risk. Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 insider secrets on how you can save money when buying contacts without sacrificing quality of your contact lens. Let's take a look. Hello and welcome, I am Dr. Joe Allen here from the Dr. Eye Health Show, helping you learn about the eyes, vision, and finding the best vision products. So if you're new here to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, if you're new to contact lenses, this video is part of a complete video series helping out beginners in contact lenses. If you'd like to check out that series, I'll hook that up in a link in the description below. So recently, I fit a patient with a contact lens, and about a week later, he actually called back asking to be refit with a different brand of lenses because he could get them much cheaper. And honestly, I refused. The lens that he wanted was not only a very old lens technology, but wasn't correct for his eye shape, his power, or his wear schedule. And I get it, we all want to save money where we can, but sacrificing your eye health and potentially your vision is just not something I think people want to do. It's kind of like asking your cardiologist to implant an outdated pacemaker. It's just not worth it. But if you're looking to save money and still get a high quality contact lens, here's 3 tips that'll help you out. The first tip is to buy in bulk. Just like most other things on the market, if you purchase in bulk, usually the price will drop. Most contact lens retailers will offer a huge discount when buying at least 6 months supplies, but you'll get even a bigger discount if you purchase a full year supply. Now I know some people like to buy things online for the convenience, however, keep in mind that some opticals and eye clinics actually have access to manufacturer rebates. These manufacturer rebates, depending on what lens you're wearing, could save you up to $200 off when buying a year supply. Hit that like button for me if you like saving money. And pretty much every contact lens brand will have some type of a rebate available. In fact, some eye clinics and opticals may even have bigger rebates available than some of the others. Now for the second tip, you want to listen up because I've actually heard that less than 5% of all contact lens wearers actually use this benefit. And that is to utilize the point system. If you happen to be a wearer of a Bausch & Lomb product such as the Bausch & Lomb Ultra, the Ultra lens for astigmatism, or a BioTrue one-day lens wearer, then you can actually submit the actual purchase of those lenses to the Bausch & Lomb's website. They actually have a rewards program where you actually earn points by purchasing their products. When you earn these points, you can then use that to get gift cards, special other bonuses and prizes. You can even donate them to charity. You can even receive tokens that you can use for online games to again win more prizes. And these things can add up. I think it's pretty awesome. I mean, who doesn't like playing games and winning gift cards? I don't think every brand offers this, but again, just about all of them offer some sort of a rewards or discount program. Now, tip number 3 is to consider signing up for some type of a vision benefit plan or vision discount plan. These are usually available through your employer, but sometimes they are also available on the open market. And it does depend on what type of coverage that you sign up for, but I have seen these plans cover things like your contact lens fitting fees, as well as contributing toward the purchase of lenses. It's not uncommon to see a carrier offer up to like $120 US toward contact lenses. And then if you use tip number 1 from before, using a rebate, you can save even more. That adds up pretty quickly. And I can't guarantee this would happen for you, but I have actually seen people make money when purchasing contacts because they were able to use their vision benefit plan, then get a rebate for it, and they actually came out ahead. When was the last time you ever purchased a product, then you got a rebate in the mail and actually made money? I'm not sure how the math works on that, but it's still pretty awesome. Now I know a lot of people try to save money with their contacts by either stretching out or overwearing their lenses, but that is not a good idea. By overwearing lenses, you're actually putting your eyes at a greater risk of complications or infections. And the cost for doctor's fees, medications, or a corneal transplant is way more expensive than any contact lens on the market. Remember that you only get 2 eyes, so please take care of them. So eye health question of the day, which one of these tips was your favorite, and have you ever made money when purchasing contacts? Go ahead and connect in the comment section below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Otherwise, keep an eye on it. We'll talk to you soon.